So, for my capstone project, I decided to investigate the effects that Hurricanes Irma and Maria had on Puerto Rico and the resulting humanitarian disaster that plagued the country. Hurricane Irma was the first of the two hurricanes to strike Puerto Rico, and from this map you can see the path that it took and when it hit Puerto Rico. Irma was a Category 5 hurricane and knocked out electricity to approximately 50% of the population. Hurricane Maria struck shortly after Irma and was also a Category 5 hurricane. What little was left from Hurricane Irma was decimated by Maria. Puerto Rico's capital city, San Juan, was flooded. There was contaminated water in the streets and also shortages of gasoline and water, which were all a result of Hurricane Maria. The hurricanes caused both material and money damage. The United States declared Puerto Rico to be a disaster area. In the past, a way that Puerto Rico had been able to draw visitors in is because of its appeal of being cut off from civilization. However, in the wake of the storms, this apparent benefit actually hindered the country because it made it more difficult for the outside world to help. The damage caused by the hurricanes made Puerto Rico go into major debt that totaled $70 billion, which in turn hurt the economy. The destruction of the hurricanes also influenced many residents to emigrate to the U.S., which resulted in fewer people residing in Puerto Rico, which in turn further damaged the economy. As is often the case when great adversity and tragedy hits somewhere, people were willing to step up and help. The Salvation Army was one of the groups that helped the country of Puerto Rico right after the hurricanes. They set up sites where they gave out meals, relief supplies, and cleaning kits. And there is what I have for references so far. Thanks for watching.